Congressman Paduano, siya lawyer, naman, kasi attorney with si Angeles yung nakalagay. But sige, at dahil abogado ko, at hindi daw ako umattend sa hearing na yun, sa inquiry na yung araw na ito, patitignan daw niya sa legal ng House kung pwedeng mag-file sila ng disbarment case sa akin. Walang tanong kung ako po ay lumabag sa Code of Ethics ng mga abogado dahil ito po ang grounds for disciplinary action namin. Idinudulog ito sa Korte Suprema. Iniimbestigahan ng IBP. Pero sa kanilang pagsasalita, akala mo sila yung nagpa-discuss. So, ang punto lang po dito, the only reason na pinatitignan nila yung item na yun ay dahil abogado ko na hindi dumating sa kanilang pagtanim. Dahil walang ibang abogado dito sa mga hindi dumating, naging special target ako. Dahil may vulnerability. The mere fact na abogado ko, apadisbang natin yan. Dahil hindi ko daw sila nirespeto. Ang problema din po dito, ang definition nila ng respeto ay slavish obedience. Hindi po respeto na mutual. Gusto nila, ang sabihin nila, kahit invitation yan, ang basa dapat natin dito ay command. Sorry po, kasi dahil ako po ay graduate with a degree in linguistics sa University of the Philippines, ang pagbasa ko din, tulad ng ibang abogado, ay precise. So, pag sinabi po nila kasi invitation, ang iniisip ko, pwede kong tanggihan. Dahil ito ay voluntary. Kung sila po ay nagpadala ng sabina, ibang usapan yun. Gayun pa man, pinocongratulate ko po si Congressman Paduano dahil ipinang-aaral niya sa legal ng House. Ito po ay step in the right direction. Kasi, nakikita ko ang ibang galawan sa ibang mga committee, eh parang diretsyo na dun sa wala yung due process, etc. Step in the right direction na, because sinasabing tama sila. Ibibigay namin, lahat kami dito, I don't think any one of us means to disrespect the House. Ang ginagawa lang namin dito ay pinaglalaban yung karapatan namin magsalita at magpahayag. Hindi po kami naghahanap ng sakit ng katawan. Pero, kung yun po ang ipinreten nyo sa amin, sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan, isa lang naman mensahe namin dito. You don't scare us.
Yes.
Sa araw-araw pa naman, pag nag-decide kami maglagay ng saloobin sa social media, automatic yun, tinanggap namin, mababash kami. Noong 2016, nung nag-decide ako, to throw my support behind a candidate named Rodrigo Duterte, alam ko maraming maaasar at hindi lang asar. I lost so many friends. Ilang pala ako? Pakalain. But that's the choice you make. When you decide to be honest, you want to say something, you accept the consequences. That's what adults do. Unfortunately, we are ruled sometimes, I'm not saying this is just in the House or it's in the House, but by people who are in dire need of adult supervision. And that's really sad. Kasi, we expect our officials, binoto natin sila because we thought that they could lead us. Ang lungkot naman, na they think that they can do this because time is on their side. Kumbaga, okay lang, napastanganin natin ang karapatan nitong taong to. Anyway, they have to go to court to defend their rights. It's gonna take some time, and in the meantime, i-detain natin sila. Because that's what's happening now. Hindi kami takot. Mas matalino lang kami. Hapon lang po. Aside from mas matalino kami. We are not Filipinos for nothing.
Yes!
Babasa po ng statement si Ms. Sasso Dato Sasso. Mayroon po siyang invitation, ngunit siya po ay nasa ibang bansa. Basahin ko na lang po yung kanyang excuse letter na tinatawag na mga overseas law. Dear Honorable Dan Fernandez, I have just read today from the Inquirer that you have invited me to a hearing about the speech of Honorable Representative Robert A. Sparrows. I have not been living in the Philippines since August 2023 and received a scholarship from the ASEAN-China Young Leaders Scholarship Program Committee based in Jakarta, Indonesia, and was given a chance to continue my academic career as a PhD student of International Relations here in Beijing, where I am building a framework that will integrate insights in Confucianism, Taoism, Buddhism, Neo-Calvinist perspective, modern physics, machine learning, and social studies into a complexity science-based theoretical framework. Makakomento lang po ako, yung framework ni Sas ang talino ng tunog gano'n. Pero ang Kongreso nagpupropose sila ng regulatory framework na maliwanag na about sa salitong batas. Comparison lang po. Sorry po. To continue, your committee is supposed to deal with, quote, all matters directly and principally relating to the suppression of criminality, unquote. In line with the stated mission of your committee, I am attaching a copy of 26 Capital et al. Versus Tiger Resorts Asia et al. CA number 2023-0128-JPL. Concerning a broken deal case involving a debt SPAC transaction, that's an intercorporate instrument transaction in relation to Okada Casino. It was decided by James Travis Lastor, Vice Chancellor of the Delaware Court of Chancery in the United States. One of the material facts needed to be established in that case is whether Universal Entertainment Corporation, the parent company of Okada Casino, bribed housekeeper Martin Romualdez. In parentheses, the famous heavy luggage issue. After 5 days of trial in 2023 with testimonies of 13 fact witnesses and 4 expert witnesses and 2,281 exhibits, including deposition transcripts from 29 individuals, VC Lasker has established as a material fact that House Speaker Martin Romualdez received a, quote, dodgy bargain, unquote, through the intercession of Michelle Lazaro and James Lorenzana, friends of Mr. Romualdez. The pertinent material findings of this American judge is, quote, it nevertheless appears that Lazaro and Lorenzana brokered a dodgy bargain in which they offered to have Romualdez intervene in return for 1, increased control over casino board, 2, compensation of $35,000 per month, net of taxes, 3, employment agreements for the local executives like Yip and Van der Sante, and 4, quote, item for Romualdez, unquote. Attached is a copy of the decision of VC Lasker, which you can also download from the website of the Delaware Court of Chancery. She attaches the link. As bribery is criminal, I hope you will give this due attention because your committee is tasked to, I repeat, deal with all matters directly and principally relating to the suppression of criminality, unquote. Thank you. Kind regards,